morning, grade 4. Welcome to our lesson today. Today, we are going to look at converting improper fraction to mixed numbers. And we have an example that we are going to use here. This is 7 over 2. How do we convert 7 over 2, which is an improper fraction, into a mixed number? Looking at the denominator, this is the denominator, and this is the numerator. The numerator is bigger than the denominator to show you that this is an improper fraction. And looking at the denominator is 2. When the denominator is 2, 2 in the denominator shows halves. When it's 3, it shows thirds. When it's 5, it shows fifths. So we have 2, which is showing halves. So how many halves do we have here? We have 7 halves. We are going to convert into a mixed number. And I want us to take a practical approach, which you can do in groups with anyone around you, and it will help you be able to convert improper fractions into mixed numbers very well. So with me are 7 halves. We can count them. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, these 7 halves, we are going to use them. We are going to use them to make full circular cutouts. And we are going to ensure that we use all of them so that we have 7 full, we have all the 7 halves used to make full circular cutouts. Let me just do it very fast so that you can see what we have. Very good. Now, with me here are the 7 halves, which are used to make full circular cutouts. We can count them together to see if actually there are 7 halves. This is 1 half, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, I want us to count how many complete circular cutouts do we have here? 1, 2, 3. How many halves are remaining? 1. So we have 3 complete circular cutouts and 1 half. How do we write it? 3 will be written like that. It forms a whole number. And the remaining half, we add it here. So, what do we get as the answer? The answer is 3.5. 3 complete circular cutouts and 1 half remaining. Now, how do we calculate this in our books? Let's see how we can calculate this in our books very fast. 7 over 2. This is the numerator and this is the denominator. How do we calculate it? To calculate it, you will take the numerator divided by the denominator. Let's do it together. 7 is the numerator, divided by 2, the denominator. How many times will 2 go into 7? We can use multiplication table for 2. 2 is the divisor. Let's go. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 2 is 8. We are dividing 7 by 2. And looking at the multiples we have 2, 4, 6, and 8. We cannot use 8 because it is bigger than 7. So what are we going to use? We are going to use 6. Because of which number? 3. 3 times 2 is 6. So what do we say? We say 2 goes into 7. How many times? 3 times. Because of which number? Because of 6. Then we subtract. 7 minus 6 is 1. Now we are done. We are only left with the answer. How do we write the answer? The answer will be written as 3, which forms the whole number. The remainder is 1, which forms the numerator. And the divisor is 2, which forms the denominator. So the answer becomes 3.5. So you can use this example to do so many other questions of your choice. You can take 8/3, you can take 10/6, and try it using this example, following it. You can also try this practical approach with anyone around you. And this will really help you understand how to convert improper fractions to mixed numbers. Remember that the number you get here is what forms the whole number. The remainder forms the numerator, and the divisor forms the denominator. That has been our lesson today. Thank you so much.